Hello kids, today we will learn about 3 prepositions: in, on, and under. These words help us describe where something is. Let's get started. Look at this book. The book is on the table. Great job. Now, here's a rat. The rat is under the table. Well done. Look at the cat. A cat is on the bed. Excellent. Here are some flowers. The flowers are in the vase. Fantastic. Look, the cat is taking a bath. The cat is in the tub. Amazing work. Finally, see this cute rabbit. The rabbit is on the chair. Perfect. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to use in, on, and under to describe where things are. Keep practicing with objects around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.